In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eBay shortcut on PC. By the end, you'll have eBay opening in its own clean window with a dedicated desktop icon, so you can jump into shopping without digging through tabs or bookmarks. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser on your PC and head to the eBay page you want quick access to. Most people use the home page, but any section works. Look toward the very top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the main menu icon represented by 3 vertical dots. Click that to open the full browser menu. This is where all the useful tools and options live. With the menu open, move your mouse to the area labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Depending on your browser or version, the label can vary slightly, but it's the section that groups options related to saving pages and sharing content. Hover over it for a moment to reveal more choices. Don't click anything yet. Just let the submenu expand so you can see the install option. From that submenu, choose Install this page as an app. This tells your browser to treat the current page like a lightweight app. What that means for you is a distraction-free window without the usual toolbar clutter and an icon you can launch directly from your desktop or start menu. It's a quick way to make eBay feel like a standalone app without installing anything heavy. A small setup dialog will pop up. In the name field, type eBay if it isn't already filled in, or adjust the name to whatever helps you recognize it quickly. Keeping it simply eBay is usually best for easy searching later. When you're happy with the name, click Install. The browser will create the app, add an icon, and open eBay in a new streamlined window. After installation, you should see the eBay shortcut on your desktop, and it will also appear in your Start Menu's app list. If the new window is open, you can keep it handy for quick access, and you can choose to pin it to your taskbar, or Start for even faster launching. If you don't immediately see the desktop icon, try checking your Start menu and search for the name you gave it. If your browser looks a little different and you don't see the exact wording "Install this page" as an app, make sure your browser is up to date. In some versions, this option can appear under a slightly different section, such as Apps or More Tools. The idea is the same. You're installing the page as an app-like shortcut. That's it. Your eBay shortcut is ready. Enjoy faster access with a single click and happy browsing.